Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy S23 FE to an Android device. Start by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, you need to set it up by hitting the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to, and close it by hitting OK. Now after selecting Close in white pop-up at the top, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. In order to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and then tap on the Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!